invoicing functions are defined to combination of here here for invoicing type an example is given. See, it says invoicing functions are defined to combination of invoicing category and invoicing type. Different invoicing function will be assigned here. For example, if you want customer to get different invoicing design when he terminates his service, that is final invoice, and different invoice when he was still a part of business for usage monthly, you can define different invoicing type for each. Okay, so invoicing form, as I mentioned, we can send different invoicing types. So if it is periodic billing, then periodic invoicing I'll send one type of form, but if it is final invoice, I want to send another type of form. Okay, so that way also you can use different invoicing types. Okay, so okay, so now I'll configure invoicing type, define invoicing type, come here, create new entry. Let me see the numbers. 12 not used, so I'll use 12, new entry 12 Z0 Z102 prepaid invoicing type, save. Then go to invoicing processes, click on new entry and assign our invoicing process, which is 12 prepaid in customer invoicing process, and we can name it invoicing process. We have already named it Z102 prepaid customer invoicing process, prepaid invoicing process. Here invoice heading, I can call it prepaid invoice or maybe customer invoice. Okay, okay. Next, invoicing of billing document, separate posting item per billing document. Okay, I want 1:1 relationship. Each billing document will form one invoicing document. Zero posting. So what is zero posting? Say I receive 4 bits. Okay, then say I receive 4 bits, 20, 30, minus 15, minus 35. Now when I bill the invoice, my amount becomes 0. When I invoice it, my amount becomes 0. What will happen in case it becomes 0? Okay, shall I invoice it? Because I cannot derive accounting. Like in the accounting, I have to do like 4 main transaction debit for in the BP item, in the GL item also. My revenue amount, if I have same GL account determining all 4, then my revenue amount will be 0. Okay, 4 line item in DFKK OPK, but the summation will be 0. What will happen if there is a 0? Okay, I mean net balance comes as 0. What will happen? So here, do not suppress zero posting, uh, suppress for business partner, suppress for general account. Okay, business partner and general ledger, select this business partner and general ledger. Then my clearing type is 77, invoicing, save. Then go to this one is not needed. Go to invoicing function, come here, new entry. Here, my invoicing category is C. Why my invoice? Okay, this one, invoicing category. And now, as I mentioned 2 times, I can assign activate. I can activate 2 times. This one should not be the case. It should be ACT, IT, and account maintenance. Hang on, it is not coming now. So I will copy. In the F4, it is not coming, but it should work. Let me copy from another invoicing type. I need to assign two invoicing function here. Okay, say this one, I'll check. This one I did not assign. Okay, invoicing process is 30. That's why I did not show. For the timing, I'll assign these two only. These are for master agreement. When I go to the master agreement class, then I'll tell you activation of open item and invoicing of billing document. Okay, these two invoicing function I will assign. And Shlomi, Sujan, I'll take your question. Just give me a moment. Let me complete this. Invoicing type mine is 12. Invoicing function. These two I want to assign. My invoicing category is Z102. Z102. Here also Z102. In the activation, we can so it means blank first one means active cannot be deactivated in dialog. That is when you create it, um, if you go, even if you choose for expert mode, you cannot deactivate. Okay, this one means active can be deactivated in dialog. That means during expert mode in the dialog you can deactivate. Okay, and this one means not active. Okay, this one you'll not choose because I want to make it active. So either you can make it, if it is mandatory one, you make it active and cannot be deactivated in dialog. If it is an optional one, you can go for active and can be deactivated in dialog. Okay, I'll go for active and can be deactivated from dialog. Then I'll save it. Yes, Sujana, tell me your question.
So under the tab control per invoicing category,
Mhm.
we have aggregate for zero postings, right? So those are relevant to posting document or invoicing document. Like in the bits, if we have zero items, so that will be suppressed in the invoicing document, or yeah, here no zero postings. Yeah, this one.
Invoicing. Billing with the amount, billing doesn't matter. Invoicing matters for the amount matters for invoicing because it is going to create the posting document, FICA document. This is for invoicing. Mm.
Okay, you mean the sense the like zero line items will not be there in the posting document as well if it is suppressed in invoicing document.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So two invoicing functions I have activated right now. I'll assign further functions later. Okay. So this is done. Now invoicing type is done. Remember, I have to revisit. So I will now assign the invoicing type, which I did not because I did not have invoicing type. So I'll go back to 12, then selection control, sorry, invoicing process, double click. Here now invoicing type is configured 12. I will assign here, save. Again, my grouping variant is still left. Once I do that, I'll again come back and assign here. Okay. So this is done. Invoicing type is done. Invoicing type is done. Yeah. Next, we'll go for define source document type. Okay. So source document type is, this is my source document type. So here I will assign my invoicing type, which is 12, 12, and here I will assign my invoicing process, which is also 12. Okay. So against this, I will assign, and also against here also I'll assign the standard one, uh, billing in contract on receivable payable. Here also I'll assign control V, save. Okay. Our source document type I have assigned. And now I think I will be able to assign the source document type in the selection control. If you remember, in the selection control for INVBI, I chose two. Okay, enhanced selection control. Here, come here and new entry. I can now have my source document type is, what is okay, which was earlier not created. Okay, this is done. Next we'll go forward. I think next is grouping variant. Source document I have done. Maintain grouping variant. Okay, so grouping variant, same feature. We will see that just shortly. Then we'll come and configure grouping. The grouping characteristics of a grouping variant defines the fields that is used to group the document to be invoiced in invoicing unit. Grouping characteristics are used in configuration of grouping variant. You can uh, use any field in structure FKK and we trig from this invoicing order. Based on this, we can group. Okay, whatever fields are assigned here, according to that field, I can form a group. Example of grouping is if the company code, division, source document number, contract reference, source document category are same, we will form one group. Okay, we can define our own field using FM in characteristics definition. That is, we can assign a customer defined function module to have our grouping. Okay, so now let's go and configure the grouping variant. Maintain grouping variants. Come here, new entry. I'll create for Z12 3-digit Z102 prepaid grouping variant. Variant. Save it. Again, similar to billing, in the maintain grouping characteristics, whatever items are already configured. So right now only 6 are configured. So right now I can choose between these 6. Okay, if I want to add here, I can add here also. Okay, first I have to add 43 items. Out of 43, 6 are taken. So 37 items are left. So first I have to add the grouping items here. Then once I add it, then later I can choose from the items that are already added. Right now only 6 are added, so I can choose from 6 only. Okay, so go to grouping variant, select the grouping variant and assign the grouping characteristics. New entry. Now I can choose from the 6 only. So let's say bookers and source document number. Source document number meaning the billing document. Okay, so that means if I put source document number, that means all my billing document will have 1:1 relationship with the invoicing document. If you don't put source document number, then multiple a billing document of the same contract account will form one invoicing document. Okay, so based on whatever they have requirement, we can do that. So that's it, and save. Then also you can assign alternative grouping variant. That is not needed. Okay, these things are not needed. Okay, so grouping variant is done. Now since my grouping variant is also done, I will go to my invoicing process and assign the grouping variant. That is the last piece of the puzzle that I have not assigned yet. I'll go back to invoicing process, 12, double click. Grouping variant is also Z12 Z0 Z102. Now it is configured. Save. Okay, now I can go and assign the bill form. Okay, I did till here, grouping variant till here. Now define specification for determination of bill form. Okay, so now I can derive my bill form. So I'll copy this, select this and single copy. My invoicing process is 12. My invoicing type is also 12. My invoicing category is Z0 12 Z102, sorry, this one. And here my form ID also I have assigned Z102 Z102 and save. Okay, posting area 2680. All invoicing posting area 26 series, or all billing posting area is 8100 series. Okay, this is 2600 series, that is 8100 series. Go back. Sometimes this combination is not enough, so we have to, because all CA master may not have the invoicing category assigned, so just add the additional what do I say, additional filter. Just remove the invoicing category That means those CA which doesn't have any invoicing category, they will also require a form ID. So for them that is blank. That is for all invoicing category, just an extra layer of config you can assign. Okay, so if you have different form ID, you can create different sorry, if you have different category, then for one category you can assign one form ID, for another category you can assign another form ID. Okay, right now I have configured that if even if my CA master doesn't have any category, then also it should work. Okay, this is done. Next we'll go to the documents. This additional function we'll revisit, we'll come back later. So next we'll go to the document. Similar to the billing document, here we'll do the invoicing document. Number range, now I will create new number range because last time my billing was stuck because I was using an existing number range. Okay, here also invoicing can do three type of thing: invoicing, normal invoicing, then reversal, and then simulation. Okay, so I have to choose a number which is not in use. So 4, 5, 6, I think 7, 8, 9 I can do. Okay, acha, 40, 50, 60. I think then 61, 62, 63 is used. I can use 70, 80, 90. Okay, let me use that. Go to, okay, so this is FKK INV doc. The previous object was FKK INV bill. Okay, so interval, come here. We can add new. I'll create 070809 like I did for billing. 70 series, 80 series, and 90 series. Ideally with the existing one it should work, but last time I got an error, that's why I don't want to go back and configure again. Now maintain document type for invoicing document and assign number range. So here again I will create a new document type. So let me create, say, uh, same thing, Z1, Z2, Z3. Okay, previously it was it is I mean in billing also I have configured the same way. Click on new entry, Z1, invoicing, individual number range, new entry, I'll assign 07. Mass number range I did not have to create any. Existing mass number range worked, so let me assign B1 and B2. I'll just copy Z2, invoicing reversal. In that number range I'll replace 20 with 08. Mass number range, let it be, no issue. And for simulation also Z3. I'll assign 09. S1, S2, S3, that's fine. Save. Okay. Three document type I have created: Z1, Z2, Z3. These are not FICA document type. Okay. These are the invoicing document type. Remember for billing also we had document type. Invoicing also have a document type. This is for the invoicing header. CI invoicing header, not for a DF triple Q document type. This is DFK NV doc each tables document type. Okay, you'll see that separate document type. FICA document types will come later in the later config node. Okay, document types are assigned configured. Now I will assign the document type So here I'll just copy, single copy. My invoicing process is 12. Invoicing type is 12. Invoicing category is C102. Okay. Here I want Z1 to be invoicing. Actual invoicing reversal will be Z2, and simulation will be Z3. Okay. So see, invoicing category can be also used to influence the number range or the document type. Okay, if your CA has a different invoicing category assigned, then you can have a different document type, and different document type will derive different number range. Okay, so we have seen bill form generation using the invoicing category, invoicing type. Now we can see uh, the number range and document type can also be influenced by invoicing category, invoicing type. Okay, this is done. The invoice reversal define reason for reversal of invoicing document. I'll not create new reasons. So customer complaint other here. So here there's a concept of official document number, which is a country specific localization requirement. Some country use invoicing official document number. Okay, in India, in DTDC implementation, we came to know they are also using official document number. In the invoicing header, you'll see an official document number populated. Okay, in US, it is not needed. This thing come in some what do I say? In some country like Greece. Okay, so if I go, let me show you official document number. Not this one. Let me explain from here. The overview, blah, blah, blah. You can take a look. Okay, for some countries they require this official document number. So here it is saying that reversal is for official document number as specified in the reversal document number. The official document number will be as specified in the reversal document type, or create new official document number, or indicate that official document is reversed. Okay, anyways, we are not using invoicing official document number at all. So if I have populated one official document number, then during the reversal it matters whether the reversal document have which official document number, existing one, new one. Okay, so these are the different reversal reasons already configured. I'm not creating anything. One of them will be assigned as sorry, my invoicing process has to be assigned here, uh, extended FICA. Like remember, we did for billing also. Bill. I think in the billing also I assign my billing process or sub process. Okay, so that reversal can be activated for my billing process or sub process. Similarly here for my invoicing process also I want to apply. I mean reversal is applicable activated. So copy, and here we assign our C102 prepaid customer invoicing. Some extended control is there, not necessary. So save. Now one invoicing reason you can make as default. Okay, so out of the invoicing reasons that are configured, y3 is has been made as default. We can change to y1, y2, yz9, anything. Okay, so not making any changes. Now tomorrow we'll go for the posting document, FICA document. These are for invoicing CI, and these are for FICA. Okay, invoicing config is greater, I mean more compared to billing, because billing does not impact the GL. Okay, general ledger, no posting happens during billing. In invoicing, the first additional part is configuration of the posting document. The second additional part is configuration of the PDFs. Those are missing during billing. Yes, Praveen, tell me.
Yeah, sir, for this invoicing, what will be the steps like for the billing we discussed, item type and all those sub-process, and also here we'll start with process categories and all those things. Means there may
Invoicing
be some step.
process. During
Okay.
invoicing, you'll
Mm,
see like in billing, we found billing process and billing sub process. First
mm,
top pop up in the first screen. In the invoice also you'll find invoicing process, then document date and posting date. Okay, you'll see that in the end user part.
yeah.
Okay, Okay. Teja, tell me.
Saubhadra, I posted one error in the group, Saubhadra. So before winding up, just wanted to check if you can look at that. I'm
Okay,
not
okay.
able to generate the billable items. Okay, I have done the required configurations, but still it's throwing an error like not able to connect to SAP CC system, which is weird.
Are you trying to generate it from consumption
The
item?
program. No, no. I mean, I just copied the variant like Z102, okay, for the source document, source type, but still it's
Okay,
saying
okay.
like SAP system is not working.
Okay, okay. I'll take a look and I'll tell you in our daytime. Okay, IST daytime.
Yeah, sure. I have saved the variant in Z1 of, okay,
Okay,
if
okay.
you
You
want to check.
you just mentioned in the group also, so that I can look
Yeah,
into your
sure.
variant, load your variant.
Mm,
Okay.
sure,
Okay.
sure, sir. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. We'll connect again tomorrow. Bye bye.